So if you have a sewing machine, there are numerous styles and types of masks that you can make. But let me first talk about some of the supplies that you'll need. Good quality woven cotton and some sort of an interior barrier fabric, like interfacing. You can either use elastic, and I've got both 1/8 of an inch elastic and 1/4 of an inch elastic here. But elastic can be hard to find right now, so you could also adapt by using hair ties, shoelaces, or bias strip tapes. If you don't have pre-packaged bias tape, there's plenty of videos online to make your own. And then if you want to make your mask fit better over the nose bridge, we recommend a pipe cleaner. One of the inner layers that you can use is interfacing, and we recommend a non-woven interfacing. While non-fusible is preferred, you can use a fusible interfacing, just don't fuse it. For those of you who don't sew, I'd like to show you a couple of the CDC recommended options. First is to take a 20 by 20 inch handkerchief. Take a coffee filter, place it down in the center of the handkerchief, and then fold it up. We ended up having to fold it 5 times. When you have a rectangle, take your hair ties, slide them through, and the ends will meet each other right in the middle. This creates a multi-layer, very easy face mask. The second no-sew option is to take a t-shirt, fold it in half so the seams are at the ends, cut out all but a 6 or 7 inch length. That leaves you with 4 ties and a covering for your face. Now that's only one layer, so you want to add additional layers from the scraps that you've got. So I would put them down in the center of your mask and then attach them with either safety pins or a stapler, and you have a multi-layered mask. For further information, please go to the CDC website or go to the OSU Extension Coronavirus resource page.